Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Home Works Outs. Home Works Outs. Yeah, the home works out. But outside of that, just wanted to chat with you guys briefly, all my subscribers. I appreciate all of you guys. You guys are great. Hitting that subscribe button and saying, yeah, I'm gonna mess with this guy and press that subscribe button. And continue seeing what he's talking about. I appreciate that. But today's video, I mainly just wanted to talk about my workouts and what I do and what I do with my workouts while I'm on my little journey. And that's basically that. So to start, what I want to say, I mainly put out my videos. Every video about me working out and my day-to-day workouts. So whenever I put out a workout video, is mainly for people who's a beginner. All my beginners are people who's struggling, feel you're struggling, not mainly struggling. People you used to work out before and you just like trying to get back in shape, or you want to get in shape, and it's just like, you feeling off, or you need somebody like, to watch and help, motivate you too. So it's less like, I want to be that type of person, and also want to be the person to, spread you knowledge about this workout thing, and not so much knowledge about pertaining to what specific workouts to do and how to do it, but knowledge pertaining to basic information, basically basic, simple workouts, basic, staying focused, staying dedicated, staying consistent, basic stuff like that. So when I be posting my videos and doing my little workouts, that's mainly the value I'm trying to bring. I'm trying to, along with showing you what I'm doing and how I'm getting my results to the way I'm doing it, and along with my process, just when I'm talking in my videos, if you're watching some of the videos, those are where the real value comes in. Watching what I'm doing as far as my workouts and what I'm saying in the videos. If you catch me talking in the videos before or during a workout or during a set, those valuable words or whatever I'm saying, or information or knowledge I'm trying to give out or speak while I'm doing that, those are more important than the actual workout, because you can do any workout that you see me do. It's just taking those little key notes that I gave you from the workout and incorporated it with your workout and just your regular kind of day-to-day. But everything's real kind of simple, and I just basically wanted to put that out there just in case, you guys, there's regular YouTube stuff or regular video stuff where you watch a video, you just, oh, that's cool, that's all right. And it's just like, I don't know, but you may see a short or something, so it's like, you may not get the full context of the video or a short. So it's just like, I just wanted to spread a little context right now, just to like, for future references and for prior references with my videos. It's like, I never knew that, or it's just like, there's always going to be some type of value in my videos when it comes to me talking, and as far as my workout too. But when I speak about something pertaining to whatever I'm doing or how I'm going about doing it, there's value in that. I just want you to utilize that, and also want you to know there will always be this information here. Like, I always have the information here free, and everything I spoke about will always be free here. It's free, and all the free, everything's free. So it's just like, you'll always be able to come and look for an answer here. You may have to search for it, but like, it would be here and it'd be free. And I just want you to know that you can do it, and that's it. And if you need a little bit more inspiration, what I want you to do is check out my motivational magnets. These things are going like crazy. They're $7.25, very cheap, the cheapest that anybody can get them. $7.25 for a motivational magnet. They come in 130 plus different inspiration, motivational sayings to help you stay inspired and motivated at home, at your workspace, anywhere that you can place a magnet at that you're specifically at, to help you stay motivated and get you going through the day. This is what these motivational magnets are for, and there will be a link in the description to help you go sort out which motivation magnet works for you. I already have 3. If you have been, subscribed to my channel and been seeing, them in the background of my certain videos, let me know. I got 3. Let me know if you've seen any of the 3. But outside of that, you go get you one that specifically works for you. Again, there's over 130 plus to choose from. I'm sure you'll find one that suits you, that you see and you'll say, oh wow, that's cool. Just know you can get a lot of them to stick in all different type of places on your house. They're mainly kind of refrigerator magnets, so you can stick a lot of them on your refrigerator magnets, but they're magnets, so it's like you can stick them anywhere. I got people who buy them for their offices, and they stick them in their home, in their work offices, at their workspace, not at their home workspace, but you can use that at your home workout space. I work out at home, so I use it in my little workout space, and my refrigerators, and all my other little places around my house that I just say, oh, this is cool to just put this here. You can utilize that, and it's in the description. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.